Now let us see exercise 7.1, sixth question. Now see the question. A girl wishes to prepare birthday caps in the form of right circular cones for her birthday party using a sheet of paper whose area is 5720 centimeters square. How many caps can be made with radius 5 centimeter and height 12 centimeter? So in our question, what they have given, one girl wishes to prepare birthday caps using a sheet of paper. Okay, so that area they have given 5720 centimeters square. So one sheet of paper you have, so that area is 5720 centimeters square they have given. Using the sheet of paper, they are making the birthday caps. So birthday cap means that is in the form of right circular cone. So I know that birthday cap that is in the cone shape only. So using this sheet of paper, they are making the cone shape with the radius 5 centimeters. So the cone shape, this is the base part, that is the circle part. So radius means center to this boundary, the R value 5 centimeter they have given. Height also they have given. Okay, so height 12 centimeter they have given. So that is not a slant height means this one. So L value, but here they have given height of the cone they have given. So height of the cone means this one. So height value they have given, that is 12 centimeter. So in our question, what they have asked to find out, how many caps can be made? Okay, using this sheet of paper, how many caps can be made? That is the question. So one sheet of paper, that area they have given 5720 centimeters square. Using this sheet of paper, they are making the cone shape. Okay, so with the radius 5 centimeter and height 12 centimeter. Our question is, how many caps, number of caps only we need to find out. So how many caps can be made from this sheet of paper? That is the question. So this like question, number of caps if you want to find out means, so number of caps if you want to find out means, this both area you can divide, then you can get the number of caps. Can you understood or not? So that from the sheet of paper only we are making the cone shape. So that divided by this area of a cone we need to divide. So this area of the sheet, area you know that. Okay, so area of the sheet divided by area of the cone. So we are making from the sheet of paper, we are making the cone shape only. Area of the cone. Okay, so cone. So area of the cone also, that is CSA we need to write, CSA formula or TSA formula we need to apply. So you know that while you are making the cone shape, only outside part only, while you are cutting from the paper, the cone shape only outside part only we need to cut. Okay, so not a down part, no need to cut. So only outside part means, you know that area of the cone, which one, CSA of a cone formula we need to apply. Okay, because the down part, circle part we will not cut, only the outside part only. So this part only we need it. So that means CSA of a cone only we need to divide. Okay, so number of caps if you want to find out mean, so from the sheet of paper, that area you know that area of the sheet divided by area of the cone. Area of the cone also, that outside part only we need to cut. So that is CSA of the cone we need to divide. Okay, so now see that solution. In the cone shape, so now see here, number of caps if you want to find out both the area you can divide. So area of the sheet, you know that 5720 divided by area of a cone means nothing but that is CSA of a cone, outside part only we need to cut. So that is CSA of the cone. CSA of a cone formula, what is it? Pi or L. So here pi value you know that, R value you know that, L value you know or not. L means slant height, but here height value they have given, but slant height we need to find out. So R value and the height value if you know means, slant height formula you can apply and find out the slant height. Okay, so now see in the cone shaped, slant height we needed because we need to apply here. So R radius they have given 5 centimeter, height they have given 12 centimeter. R and radius and height value if you know means, slant height formula you can apply. So slant height, what is it? L is equal to square root of height square plus R square. Okay, so height you know that 12, so 12 square plus R value that is 5 square. So square root of 12 square mean 12 into 12, that 144 plus 5 square mean 5 into 5, that is 25. If you added this one, you can get it 169. So you know that 169 mean 13 into 13 if you multiply. This two same number if you multiply only, you can get it 169. So 13 you can make it outside. So L is equal to 13 centimeter. Now L value you can get, you have got it. So now can you apply here? 5720 divided by pi value 22 by 7 into R value here, what is it? 5 centimeter. L value now only we found it, that is 13 centimeter. Now the next step, this 7 it will go the numerator only. So 5720 into 7 divided by 22 into 5 into 13. So now we can cancel it. 5 table if you are using 5, because the last number ending with a 0, then 5 table you can use it. 5 1 is 5. Here 5 1 is 5. After here 7 you have, again 5 1 is 5, remaining 2 it will come. Now 22 you have, so 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20, again 5 4s are 20 it will come. Now 1144. Now here 22 table, here also 11 table you can use it. 11 and 44, that like if you have in 11 table you can use it. 11 2s are 22. Here 11 1 is 11. Here after 4 you have 4 cannot be divided by 11. So 2 digit we need to take. So put it 0 after 2 digit you can consider. So 11 4s are 44. So 104 you have. Again, so this 13 table if you use it means, here 2 table if you take means 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4 it will come. Now 52 you have. 13 and 52 you can cut it from the 30 using the 13 table. So 13 1 is 13. After here 5 4s are 20. 4 13s are 52. So now remaining what you have, 7 and 4 you have. So now you can write equal to 7 into 4 equal to 7 4s are 28. Now how many caps can be made using this sheet of paper? 28 caps can be made. Okay, so the required number of caps is 28. So that is the answer. Thank you.